Today is going to be all about taking the 140 for a POV drive. Let's waste no time. Let's get a cold start done on it and let's go. Not quiet. Right, and we're away. Once she gets a little bit warmer, I'll put her into sport and we get a little bit of pop and crackling. I think we're pretty warm. Get it over onto sports display. Put the gearbox in its more sportier setting. Not sure if you can hear that or not. Open the window a little bit. Let's do it in auto this time. Wow, that makes me smile every time. Don't even need to use the manual paddles. And then just like that, once you're done, stick it back down into comfort, and she goes back to a civilized normal car. I'm not bored of this car. I say I've had it for over 2 years, and the car still manages to put a smile on my face when I drive it. You know, there's not many cars that do that, I'm sure. But yeah, this is my daily, so it's dirty, it does need a good wash. But anyway, look, I hope you're enjoying the content. Thank you to everybody that is subscribed to me. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everybody that has been subscribed to me for some time now. I really hope you are enjoying the content. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, please make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.